new technologies that will blow your mind. APIS COR. It can be a time-consuming and quite complex operation to carry out when it comes to building and construction. In recent years, technology has changed the way construction is done, and 3D printing is helping with constructing new buildings. The APIS 4 is a 3D mobile printer capable of printing inside the building under construction. It works by using a rotating arm with a single-point coverage area of 132 square meters. It's also small in size, easy to transport, and requires no preparation time. It's also small in size, easy to transport, and requires no preparation time before construction. To install and construct the printer only requires 30 minutes. The printer can print compact dimensions of 4x 1.6x 1.5 meters and only weighs 2 tons. This makes it easy for standard equipment to transport it as needed. The 3D printer not only installs easily but operates efficiently as well, only requiring 2 trained workers to fully control the entire process, including the material flow for printing. The printer uses fiber concrete, a type of cement concrete used layer by layer to reduce the possibility of construction waste to zero. Helicopter tree trimming. Trimming tree branches is a pretty straightforward procedure, but when branches that obstruct power lines need to be trimmed, the process requires more safety and precision. Helicopter tree trimming, also called aerial trimming, is capable of aiding in this process by using a special circular saw. The saw consists of steel blades fixed one below the other in a vertical line. A diesel engine powers the saw, and when the helicopter raises it in the air, it floats above the trees. Next, the branches are cut by moving in a straight line. Doing this requires the precision of each movement to control both the helicopter and the cutting mechanism. Helicopter tree trimming can trim the top of a tree down to 80 feet and able to access trees in areas that are difficult to reach. What would typically take a ground crew weeks to complete, using this method, can be done in a day. Amazon Prime Air. Amazon is well known for its quick, reliable delivery of packages, some as fast as the same or next day. But in 2016, the company rolled out a new way to deliver small packages to customers in the UK, using small drones. The usage of drones in parcel delivery is a significant breakthrough in the delivery world. Amazon is able to deliver packages weighing up to 2.3 kilograms in half an hour within a 16 kilometers radius. The drone has a maximum flying altitude of 120 meters and a speed of 80 kilometers per hour. The drone has propellers and a computerized control system installed in the center and the top of the frame. This control system enables navigation and object detection for the QR code the customer needs to print. This code acts as a beacon for the drone to identify where it should land to deliver the package. While drone technology is constantly improving, it has already been deemed a modern marvel. Tesla. Tesla was founded in 2003 and named after the father of electrical engineers, physicist Nikola Tesla. The electric vehicle company is well known around the world. The creator's idea is that electric cars must completely replace internal combustion engine vehicles and impart to humanity the desire to advance green transportation. There are 4 popular electric vehicle models: Roadster, Model S, Model X, and Model 3. For instance, as of 2022, the Tesla Model 3 is a well-developed vehicle. It can go from 0 to 60 in just 3.5 seconds and has a range of 272 miles on a full battery. This demonstrates the advancement the company has made. On November 16, 2017, the company introduced a semi-electric tractor-trailer with plans to launch in 2019. This technological advancement shows how determined the company is to push green energy in vehicles of all sizes. Over the years, despite a significant deficiency in some cars, criticism, and loss of production, the company still exists and has developed new models and is the most popular electric vehicle dealer. Waymo. Waymo is an autonomous driving technology company that began by partnering with the Google self-driving car project in 2009. These self-driving vehicles use information collected by Google Street View along with a video camera, a LiDAR sensor mounted on the roof, a radar in the front of the car, and a sensor connected to one of the rear wheels that helps determine the position of the vehicle on the map. It even has the ability to detect the flashing lights of emergency vehicles. Waymo is continually developing its technology, and at the end of May 2014, a completely autonomous car without steering or pedals was designed. The company has tested its fleet on closed courses, simulations, and public roads with great success. There are two ways to drive passenger vehicles: Waymo Driver and Driver Assist. With the former, you are a passenger and have no engagement with the vehicle's navigation. On the other hand, Driver Assist requires human input in case the vehicle cannot handle a driving situation. Although impressive, Waymo has a few disadvantages, such as difficulty with parking, recognizing urban waste, and the impossibility of driving in weather conditions like heavy rain or snow. KUKA Robotics. KUKA is a company that specializes in robotics and automated technology and is the leading manufacturer of industrial robots. The company has a wide range of devices of nearly all load capacity types. Some of the robot's functions are material handling, loading and unloading of machines, and spot and arc welding. KUKA's robots are beneficial to the automotive and aerospace industry. By using them, organizations can increase productivity. These robotic devices help improve product quality, reduce material costs, and save energy. A particularly unique capability of the company is interaction with the person as a partner or assistant, which allows devices to be used economically in small and medium-sized businesses. Another standout feature is the novelty of software and exceptional precision in the movements of each robot. They can carry out work even with the smallest details. KUKA Robotics creates fantastic devices and continues to improve the lineup and technology of each one. iLim Pulse. The Scottish company Touch Bionics is the leader in developing high-tech prosthetics and the first company to produce bionic prosthetics for upper limbs commercially. Nearly 1,200 patients worldwide use and benefit from iLim products. In addition to the existing model, another product was developed, the iLim Pulse. This new model is a modification of the first one and has more movements. Some are very subtle, such as tying shoelaces. The Pulse uses pulsating technology when moving the fingers of the prosthetic, and this increases the ability to manage the prosthesis and increase the strength of adhesion to the object. When the fingers grasp an object, the user is able to use the pulsation function to ensure complete control of the object. Using these high-frequency electronic pulses makes movements in everyday life more precise and decisive. The aluminum casing design and features make the Pulse a robust prosthetic and can carry a load of up to 90 kilograms. Finally, the Bluetooth interface allows technicians to select individual settings tailored for the user. Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge. This bridge is part of the Beijing-Shanghai high-speed railway and is also considered the longest bridge in the world. The Guinness Book of World Records records the bridge with a length of 164.8 kilometers, but only 9 kilometers of the road is above the water. The largest lake across the viaduct is Lake Yangchang. The Danyang Kunshan Grand Bridge is located in eastern China between the cities of Nanjing and Shanghai. Construction of the bridge began in 2008, and despite the immense amount of work involved, more than 10,000 people participated in the construction. It was put into operation 3 years later, in 2011. The most advanced technology was used during building, and astonishingly, the work was carried out simultaneously on both sides. About 2.5 million cubic meters of concrete and 500,000 tons of steel were used to bring it together. Although final costs vary across different estimates, it ranges from $8 to $10.5 billion.